Hello, this is Alex0 again, and it's been a while since I posted a video, but I'm going now to post a video on how to use getVar and putVar. It's a way to get variables and get and store variables from files in a very easy way without having to open the file and VB6 and do all the other random crap that takes forever. Okay, so open up VB6. And once that loads, alright, open up just a regular standard program. Now, let's see here. I generally create a new module to put my functions in so that I can access them from all my forms. If you want to put them in your form, you can. The functions will be in the description, so you can copy and paste those. Let me get these functions here. Close that. Remove that. No. Okay. See, here are the functions: getVar and putVar and stuff. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't make that much sense. All right. So let's make two command buttons. Just doesn't really matter where they are. Have the first one and call it in the name cmd putVar, and then change the caption to putVar. You don't have to, but this is just so you can keep it organized. And the second one to cmd getVar in the name, and then getVar in the caption. Alright, now let's double click on putVar. Double click, I say. Okay, there we go. And do call putVar, open parentheses, and you should get file as string bolded. I don't know how you say that, but it should be bold. And then you just you can type in c:\/ to put a file in your C drive, or you can type app.path, the little curly Q and thing on your 7 key, I don't know what that's called, which that separates variables and stuff if you want to add variables, parentheses and whatever you want to call your file. I'm gonna put it in my C drive just because. Test.ini. You can use any file, but generally when you use getVar and putVar, you use an ini file. Alright, close whatever, and then click comma. You should see header as string in bold. Okay, well, see how getVars and putVars work. You've got name in brackets. If you look at the file, you've got a name in brackets, and then you've got another under that. You've got another name equals whatever. Well, the name in brackets is the header. So now what you want to do is you want to type in, I'm just going to type in test. You can type in whatever, it doesn't really matter. Then put a comma, and make sure to put that in quotation marks. And then put a comma, and you should have var as string bold. Quotation marks, test 1. It doesn't really matter. Comma, make sure to end quotation marks. You end quotation marks around all these things. And then value as string, just put this is a test. Didn't really matter what you put, just so long as you put something. And then hit close parentheses and hit enter, and now it should be capitalized and all that good stuff. So run your program and click the button putVar, your first button, and then you close the program. It didn't visibly do anything. And then go into your C drive, which if you're on XP you go to Start My Computer C drive. If you're on Vista you just go to Start Computer and C or whatever. And once this loads, eventually, okay, there it is, test.ini. if you open this up, it should, see, there it is, test in brackets, test1 equals this is a test. See, that's how you'll have all your variables and stuff like that. So that's pretty simple, don't you agree? Well, I would. Alright, go ahead and close that. Now for the second one, get var. Now you can't get a var from a file that doesn't exist. So the file has to exist first. Alright, let's double click on get var. That's why we did put var first. And then you want, like, let's do a message box, msg box, and you don't have to do a message box, at least I hope you do. And then for the prompt, just doesn't really matter. Then just type get var. Actually, don't put anything for the prompt, just have the parenthesis, and then type in get var, parenthesis, it says file is string, so type in whatever file you did for the put var. I did c:\backslash test.ini, comma, then for the header, type in whatever header you did. I did test, and your variable, I did test1, I think, yeah. Alright, and then do that, and then 2 parentheses to end that, and then run your program and click get var, and it should pop up with whatever variable you typed in for put var. In my case, it gave me this is a test. So that's how you use get var and put var. If you have any questions, just comment or send me a message on YouTube, or you can email me if you feel like it. Alright, this is Alex0. Hope you learned a bit. Alright.